Son, daughter, stop everything now and listen carefully. What I'm going to tell you could change your life. I know you could be doing anything else right now. But if this message reached you, don't ignore it. This is no coincidence. There's a reason you're here now. I see what no one else sees. I know what's weighing on you, the sleepless nights, the thoughts that torment you, the pains that no one notices, the feeling that time is passing and you are falling behind. But listen, you are not alone. This video will be like a hug for your soul. Here you will find words that will bring comfort and peace to your heart. If there is a weight inside you and anguish that seems to have no end, get ready, because something powerful is going to happen here. If you've been feeling tired, if your soul is troubled, if tears fall in the silence of the night and no one sees, know that I see. I know every detail of your story. I know what you've been through, and I'm here to bring peace right now. Life often seems too difficult, doesn't it? You have already carried so many responsibilities. You've faced so many battles. You've already lost people you loved. He has already struggled with pain that no one could imagine. And at times you may have even asked yourself, has God forgotten me? But today, listen carefully. You have never been forgotten. Every tear that fell, every cry for help, every thought of giving up, nothing went unnoticed. And now, this message arrives as a signal. You are not alone. Your life will never be the same after this video. But first, I want you to take a simple step of faith. Just write your name in the comments of this video and leave your prayer request there. I know this may seem too simple. However, it is with the little things, with the small steps that the greatest miracles are made. Now write your name in the comments and also leave a prayer request. Also, click on the bell that appears at the bottom of the screen. This way, whenever you have a new word of blessing and transformation, you will be notified and you will be able to receive everything that has been prepared for you. Now take a deep breath, focuses, and don't let anything distract you because this message is for you. Open your heart and allow peace to enter your life. I know, some days are more difficult than others. Days when loneliness tightens your chest. Days when you look around and feel like no one understands what you're going through. Days when you smile on the outside, but inside your heart is tired. Maybe you looked at your life and thought, will things ever get better? Will this pain ever go away? Will this void inside you one day be filled? There are times when the silence seems deafening. The house is full, but the heart is empty. The years passed, the children grew up, friends moved away, and you feel alone like no one else really cares. But listen, I see you. I know what has been going on inside your heart. I know about the struggles that no one sees. I know the pain you hide so as not to worry anyone. I know the nights you laid your head on the pillow and the tears came without anyone noticing. And you know what? You have not been forgotten. Your name is engraved on the palms of my hands. Their outcry did not go unnoticed. Every prayer you said, every request that came from the bottom of your heart, every word you said to my Father in secret I heard. And now, I'm here to remind you that your story isn't over yet. That this suffering you feel today will not last forever. That this void, that seems to have no end, can be filled with peace, a peace that the world cannot give. You may not understand now, but everything you've been through has brought you here. And now you are listening to this message because something new is about to happen. Don't give up, don't lose hope, because I am with you. Write in the comments, I believe that my life will be restored. Take that step of faith, declare with confidence, because what you believe becomes reality. Now I want you to close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and hand this pain into my hands. Well, I am here, and I will guide you to better days. Generated audio prayer is the key that opens doors in the impossible. Have you ever noticed how, after a sincere prayer, the heart calms down? How does peace invade the soul even when nothing around seems to change? This happens because prayer connects you directly to my heart. She is not just words thrown in the wind. Every prayer you pray is heard in heaven. Every cry reaches my Father's throne. Every tear is collected and saved. You may even think that your prayers are too simple, which may not be enough. But I tell you, no prayer goes unnoticed. Even those words you can barely say, the sighs, the moans, the silence of your heart, I understand each of them. Maybe you asked for something a long time ago and haven't seen an answer yet. Maybe you're starting to doubt if I really hear you. But listen carefully. Your answer is on the way. There are spiritual battles going on. There are things being moved in the invisible. And when the time is right, you will see the miracle happen before your eyes. But the key to this is perseverance. Don't give up praying. Don't give up believing. Because your prayer is like a hammer hitting the rock. With each beat, the miracle comes closer. With each prayer, the impossible becomes reality. Remember, I am the God who opened the sea, that made water come out of the rock, who raised the dead. And if I did it before, why wouldn't I do it now? Your answer will not fail. It will come at the right time, and when it happens, it will be bigger than you imagined. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath, and talk to me. Say everything that's in your heart, because I am listening. Now, the time has come. The moment of liberation. The moment of spiritual break. I know you've already carried weights that weren't yours. Have you ever endured pain that seemed unbearable? Have you ever faced struggles that almost made you give up? But today this oppression will be broken, because I am here, and where I am, evil cannot remain. Where I enter, sadness has to leave. Where my light arrives, darkness disappears. The enemy tried to convince you that nothing will change, that your family will always be like this, that your health will never be restored, that your peace has been stolen forever. But he's a liar. I am the God who transforms lives. I am the one who restores what was broken. I am the one who changes stories. And today, now, a new page is being written in your life. Do you know this pain you've been carrying, that weight on your shoulders, this anxiety that steals your peace? Put everything in my hands, because today is Liberation Day. If there is something that has been imprisoning you, if there is a wound that still hurts, if there's something you can't get over, the time has come to let go. Take a deep breath. Let go. Free yourself from this burden. Now, I am removing spiritual chains. I am tearing down walls that seemed insurmountable. I am bringing healing, peace, and restoration. Believe it, because the time of oppression is over, and a new time began. Now the time has come to declare your victory. The time of pain is past. The time of scarcity is over. The time of loneliness is gone. Today I declare a new era upon your life, a time of peace, a time of healing, a time of restoration. Illness will have no power over you. Your health will be strengthened. Your body will be renewed. Your heart will be restored. Your family will be transformed. The bonds that seemed broken will be remade. The distance between you and those you love will be reduced. Love will return to live inside your home. Your days of tears will turn into joy. Desperation will be replaced by hope. Anguish will give way to peace, because I am the God who changes stories. I am the one who opens doors where there is no way out, that makes the impossible become real, who writes a different ending for those who trust in me. Believe, because great things are about to happen, and you will be a living witness to my power. Now take a deep breath and receive this truth over your life. I am loved. I am chosen. I am winner. Now, you need to make a decision. You can listen to this message and just go on with your life, or you can choose to act in faith and believe that something new is beginning. I'm already working on the invisible. But faith requires a step, a movement. And now it's your time to rise up. If you have been waiting for a sign, this is your sign. If you have been asking for an answer, this is the answer. If you have been crying out for a miracle, the time for your victory is coming. Don't let this word go unnoticed. Embrace this promise. Take ownership of the change. Believe that God's best is yet to come. Fear tried to paralyze you. Doubt tried to make you give up. But I am with you, and as you trust, the sky moves in your favor. Now I want you to close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and simply feel my presence around you. Because I am here, and I never stopped being. May peace fill your heart. May strength lift you up again, and may hope be reborn within you. Your new time has begun.